Mandalay Bay, there used to be a Russian restaurant called Red Square. So we're there with a bunch of friends. You know, they were loud and talking. I'm loud, no big deal. But I went to the restroom and I ran into one of the managers. See, my group, they're pretty loud over there. They're kind of like, in fact, they're singing. So I need you to go over there and ask them that because they're so loud, they need to leave the premise. Really, want me to do that? I said, yeah, I'll pay you. Look, he said, I don't, you don't have to pay me anything. This sounds like a little bit of fun. My beautiful wife, Bonnie, is, you know, she's having the time of her life. And the guy broke the news. Said, you're loud and a little obnoxious and we need you to leave. My wife, being the nice Midwestern girl that she is, she says, oh, we're so sorry. We'll calm it down. He was adamant. He says, no. He says, you don't get another chance. You got to leave the joint. People started to stand up in the chair because they didn't know what the hell was going on. My wife knew. She knows this stuff. She kind of looked around for me and she saw me standing up and I was laughing, so she knew it was a joke. I almost had her. I don't like to just go places and not do shit.